Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and edit a Mailchimp email template. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse a design you've already created without altering the original, saving you time and effort when building new campaigns. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, locate and click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. So go ahead and log in to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After signing in, look to the left navigation panel and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your saved templates and previous email campaigns, giving you a clear overview of everything you've created. It's the central hub for managing your email content. Now scroll through your campaigns until you find the specific template you want to duplicate. Once you've located it, click the down arrow next to the template. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing that particular template. From the menu, select Replicate. This action creates an exact copy of your template, allowing you to work on a new version without touching the original. It's a simple yet powerful feature that keeps your workflow organized. Once the duplication is complete, click on the new duplicated template to open it. You'll be taken to the template overview page where you can see all the details of your copied design. Next, click Edit Design to enter the template editor. Depending on your Mailchimp version, this button might also appear as Edit on the template card itself. Either way, clicking it takes you into the full editing interface where you can customize your template. Now you're free to make all the changes you need. Use the editor to modify text, swap out images, add or remove blocks, adjust colors, or tweak any other design elements. The editor is intuitive and gives you complete control over how your email will look. If you'd like to give your duplicated template a new name, simply click on the template name at the top of the page. Type in your desired new name and press Enter. This helps you keep track of different versions and makes future searching much easier. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your edits, click Save or Save and close to preserve your changes. Your duplicated and edited template is now ready to use for your next campaign. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated and customized a Mailchimp email template, giving you a fresh version to work with while keeping your original intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.